Hi there, welcome to Mindfit. Today we are going to learn how to set up CentOS 7 Linux. To set up CentOS Linux, we need the ISO file, which we can download from the official CentOS site. So that's the official CentOS site, centos.org. We can visit this site, go to download, and select our version of OS. We can go for 7, we can go for stream version 9 and 8. So in this video, we are going to work with CentOS 7. So let's select CentOS 7, X64, and download our ISO file. So there are a couple of ISO files are available, minimal, everything and all. So for now, we are going to use minimal. So we can that's how we can download the ISO file. In our case, we already have downloaded, so we can continue as it is. Let's cancel it. Now we are going to use ISO method to install the Linux. So let's start our virtualization environment. New. Select a method ISO image. Select our ISO file. So we have already here. And then we can select our OS type, which is Linux. Version is CentOS 7. Right. We can select our RAM and processor, number of processor and RAMs, our hard disk size. As per our requirement, we can give the hardware size. Minimum has to be 10 GB. Then finish. Give the same name, whatever name you want to give. You can say CentOS 7. Then finish. Once we boot our system on ISO file, we can see this couple of options. So first option is install 727. If we select this option, we can directly start the installation. Second option we have for the test media and install CentOS 7. So in this option, first is going to check the our ISO file. If our ISO file have all the required packages, then it will continue. Otherwise, it will abort the installation. The next we have troubleshooting option. In case we are having challenge with our Linux, then we can use recovery option too. We can use rescue option to rescue our system. So let's go back. Select install 7.2 Linux. Select language setting. So we can select English, United States, continue. Select date and time. So that is Asia as a region. Asia, perfect. So you can select your date and time as per your time zone. We have here keyboard layouts and all. We can also select that setting. Software selection in our case is going to be minimal. Installation destination, we can select our drive here if you want to get the automatic partition or configure manually. So for this video, we are going to take it automatically configure partitioning. Done. Network and hostname, so we can switch on the network part. And if you want to set up the hostname, we can also give the hostname. Let's say Central. And in case if you want to configure the network at the time of installation itself, so we can go to configure option. In general, first things we can connect this network when is available. So we don't need to switch on our network card all the time. IP we can configure from here by saying manual, and we can provide our IP address and all details. But now we are using DHCP, so let's select DHCP and see. Done. Then just click on begin installation. Now it's asking the password for root, so we can set up our root password. So as we have the weak password, you can see the warning at bottom. So we have to click twice to confirm it. So let's click twice and we are good. In case if you want to create more user, we can create from user creation option. We can create more option, let's say, and give the password whatever we want to give, confirm. That's it. So now let's wait installation to get finished. So our installation is completed. Let's click on reboot. Okay, let's use the password we created at the time of installation. Yeah, so we are logged in. Our Linux installation is completed. Now we are free to do the post installation work. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.